Hello, I'm Russ, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be starting a new video series, Cooking with Russ, on my YouTube channel, Simply Wooden Creations. That's right, you're going to get to watch me cook in my own kitchen. Now, at a very young age, I became interested in cooking because I used to watch my mother cook in the kitchen all the time. She also taught me how to cook, and she told me, you need to learn this because one day you might have to take care of yourself. So I've been cooking most of my life. I cook mostly Southern style, but I have branched out over the years and cooked other things. Now, my wife Nancy is Puerto Rican, and she's taught me some Puerto Rican dishes that I'll also be sharing with you, along with some new recipes that I have found throughout the years that I really like to cook. Let's just take one moment and I'll talk to you about just a little bit about my kitchen. I'm standing here at my island stove oven combination. This is a 5-burner ceramic stovetop. Underneath is a 24 by 20 convection oven, and also have a warmer drawer, but that can also be used to cook because it will reach temperatures up to 350 degrees. We also have a secondary oven across from me that is also a workhorse. We use it quite a lot. You know, we raised 7 kids in this house, so we had to cook a lot of big meals, especially with 4 hungry boys. Behind me is my food prep area. That's where I do all cutting up my vegetables and meat and such, and then the sink is right next to it. Now, I designed and built this kitchen over 15 years ago, and so this little area right here is predominantly where I cook and where I'm at most of the time. I really hope that you like and watch my new video series. It opens up a whole new avenue for me on my YouTube channel. Also, if you wouldn't mind, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and give me a real nice comment. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and God bless.